Today I am going to talk about my current skincare products, the products that I'm using regularly in the last couple of weeks. So all of these products are from the brand Mother Sparsh. I hope all of you guys have seen the clip in the starting of the video. So I have three products today. I have a face wash and one night cream and day cream which I have been using in the last 2 weeks, and they're giving me good results. For those of you who are new to this brand, Mother Sparsh is an Indian brand and they are in the market for a while now, from 2016, but earlier they were making products only for the babies like diapers and stuff like that. But recently they have started making feminine products which all the ladies, all of us, we can use. So they have their hair care range and their body care range, which I have already reviewed in my channel. I will mention the link below. You can go and check those videos out. I have a full detailed review about their hair care products and about their body care products. So today I have another three products from the same brand, that is Mother Sparsh. So let's get started. The first product that I have today is this face wash. This is the turmeric healing face wash. This is to remove the early signs of aging. It removes the blemishes, the spots from your skin, and it is made up of turmeric and the Indian herbs which is called as Gotu Kola. And here we are getting 100 ml of the product, and this retails for 375 rupees. So this is basically a healing face wash. Let me show you guys the texture. Yeah, so this is what the texture is. It is not very runny and not very thick. You can see it's a perfect kind of texture. It's a yellow fluid and it smells exactly like turmeric plus something else. I don't know what is that, but yes, like turmeric actually. Just touch my nose. So the smell is very soft, though it is turmeric smell. If you don't like this turmeric smell, it is not going to bother you because it's not very overpowering. And I have used this, I generally use this during the daytime while taking shower, and I don't need a lot of product. This much is okay for one time wash for the neck and the face. And when I wipe my face, I feel that it is not my face is not feeling dry. Maybe it is the summertime, that is the reason. I don't know about winter, but it does not make my skin dry. So I have used this product for the last couple of weeks, and I use it once a day, and that is while taking shower in the daytime. And what I have seen is that my face looks very clear when I use this product, as if I have done a facial or a scrubbing. It looks very clear. I can't tell about the spots and blemish removal because I don't have much of a spot on my face, and in the last 2 weeks I have not seen great changes, so I can't comment on that. But yes, my face looks very clear and very fresh, and it also doesn't dry my skin out that much. I can leave my skin without a moisturizer for about 30 minutes. After that I do feel the need of a moisturizer. The next product that I have today from Mother Sparsh is their turmeric healing day cream. So all the products that I'm going to show today is from their turmeric range. This is a new range. These products are turmeric based, and this range is recently launched in the market, and I'm very grateful to Mother Sparsh that I'm able to try all these products out. So this is what the outer packaging of the day cream looks like, and this one retails for 475 rupees for 40 grams of the product. And let me show you what the inside looks like. The inside looks very luxurious. Even this outer packaging is very cute. I like it very much. See the print here, it's so cute. And this is what the actual product looks like. Let me take this out. This looks very cute and very luxurious. At the same time, you can see the cover, this lid. It has a glossy finish and it looks very luxurious. If you keep this in your makeup stash, it's gonna stand out. And this is what the product looks like. Because it is turmeric based, it is yellow in color. It's a day cream and it smells very refreshing. It smells very refreshing and very divine actually. And the texture is also very smooth, and it's very buttery, I should say. But this cream does not get absorbed to your skin immediately. And don't get afraid by seeing the white cast. It's gonna get absorbed for about 1 minute of time. For that time, you need to keep it on the skin just like that. And what I feel is that this cream takes a little bit of time to get soaked in your skin, and after that, it is gonna give moisturizing effect to your skin. But at the same time, it is not going to make you sweat. Currently, it's summer. It's very hot. and I do sweat, but generally what happens is that whenever I apply a cream, I do sweat, but in this case it does not happen like that. It is going to work for people having oily skin as well as for dry skin. It is not a moisturizer which is very heavy and which you can use in the winter time. I think it is very good for the summertime. Not very thick kind of a moisturizer which will work in winter. It's good for summertime, and it's good for people having oily skin. And the last product that I have today from Mother Sparsh is their Turmeric Healing Night Cream. So all the three products have the same name, and this also looks very similar to the day cream. Packaging also very similar. Let me show how the product looks from inside. Because this is night, this is black shaded actually, and this is what the product looks like. This is the color is a little different. It is whitish, off-white kind of color, and the smell is much more smooth compared to the day cream. It's much more sober and much more gentle because it's for the night time. And this is what the product actually looks like. The texture is once again very soft, and also when you apply this, your skin will get a kind of cooling sensation, what I feel. And this one gets absorbed to your skin faster compared to the day's cream, and your skin will feel luxurious. And yeah, also it do moisturize your skin, and so when you will apply this product to your skin, it will take little bit of time to get absorbed to your skin. Before that it will leave a white cast, but don't worry about this cast, it will go after 1 minute once the cream gets absorbed to your skin. Overall, I really have a good experience with the Mother Sparsh Healing Turmeric range, and I would really recommend this face wash, the face wash that I've shown today, for people having oily skin as well as for dry skin. My skin type is combination, it works well for me, and I think it is going to work for across all skin types. And the night cream and the day cream, yes, this feels very luxurious on your skin. These are good, having good moisturizing properties. I think overall this range is very good, and I will be mentioning the links of all this product in the description box. You can go and try out these products from them. They're available on the Mother Sparsh own website as well as on Amazon. I don't know about Nykaa. And I think in today's market, a lot of new brands are coming up, and Mother Sparsh is one of them. It is an Indian brand. We should start buying more and more products from the Indian brands, and we should support local businesses and make their dream come true. And I think I do enjoy trying the new products from this brand, and I recommend it to all of you, all of my subscribers. So if you like watching my videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this particular video, then hit the like button and stay tuned. I'll be coming up with more such videos. Bye.